Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says find the vector equation of a line through A of this coordinate and B this coordinate here. You need to understand that when they say vector equation, a vector equation is represented using the unit coordinate, and the formula for the vector equation is given by this. You say R there, you say R for the vector equation, it is equal to vector A plus, like this, you say we say wavelength, and then we say D there, vector D. Okay, now what we do here is this. So what does A represent? It is representing the position vector of what is the first coordinate, which is this one. So this is a coordinate. You change the coordinate into the position vector. How? So here where there is 3, introduce 3i. Here you say 7j. We use I and j as the standard of representation. Okay? So meaning it will be like this. You say equal. So now we're going to say 3i plus 7j, like this. So this one is for this one here. Now, this wavelength, it is representing the scalar, the size of the direction. This simply means the direction. Now, the direction for what? For how you move from A to B. So we're going to say vector A be like this, which is this one. It is equal to what? It is equal to B A like this. This is the meaning, okay, when it comes to vector quantities. Now, what does this represent? This represents B minus A there. You have seen that? Yes. So when I say B minus A, simply means you start with the coordinates for B, this one. So you say 2 minus 3. So it will be for X. This is for X, this is for X values. So you say 2 here, minus 3. Again you say negative 8 for Y now. Negative 8 minus 7, which is part of this negative, it is part of the formula, okay? So now we say equal like this. So 2 minus this one is going to give me negative 1. So negative 8, negative 7 is going to give me negative 15. Remember, this here, what I'm doing, it is known as the coordinate. This is a coordinate. Now we change the coordinate into the position vector. We introduce a I there, so it will be negative 1i. Again, this one, it will be what? It will be comma negative 15j, like this. You have seen? So for this one, it is this one. Now remember, this here was representing the direction for D. So you get this one, you put now here. So you're going to say plus, you put the wavelength, now you put this one. So negative 1i, negative 15j, like this. Next step now, you simplify, just simplifying. It will be 3i plus 7j. So this one times this is going to give me negative 1i wavelength, which is the scalar, the size. Again, this times this is going to give me negative 15j and the wavelength there. So now you put the like terms together. So this one and this one here. So it will be now 3i minus 1i wavelength. You get this one and this one here. So positive 7j minus 15j wavelength, like this. So what is common? I. So outside we will put I, then we put 3. Since I've removed this I and this one, so we put 3 minus what? Minus 1 wavelength, like this. So what is common here? So what is common? We have j and we also have j. So it will be positive j, and then we get 7 minus 15 wavelength, which is a scalar. So this here is the answer.